Good job. You sleep up there. You did that by yourself. I can't move my neck like that, but don't slip. Don't slip, please. Okay, baby. Oh, is that your mama? Is your mama?
That is his mama. Looking for him. She's got food in her mouth. He's looking for you.
Let's go get your mama. Did you see
I don't know where he came from. She just went over the roof.
Should we put you in the grass so your mama can see you?
Look, she's calling him. His mama's up there calling him. Lexi, maybe you want to get away from the porch so she may come down for him.
She can't see him. Come on, baby
Well, he
bird.
may hear her calling.
Mama, your baby's over there.
You see him looking for her? Yeah, but he's going to answer. Watch.
Don't go over there. She's going to be able to see you.
Yeah, there she is.
Yay, there's your mama. Mama, why you not go to your baby? Oh, a disobedient child he is. Oh, that was so cute. I'm a good babysitter. This is the second time I babysat today.
He's like, come back. I want some more of that.
I'm a bird sitter. Like, I babysat kids this morning, and now I'm babysitting.
Look, I guess she's going to go look for more food for him. Where's she at? She's sitting right there.
I want my paycheck now.